Hey everyone, this is Sparkle777. Welcome to another episode of Resident Evil 2. I should have pressed load. Probably going to continue from my autosave. Okay, so pause, return to game, load game, records, customs, options, and out. Quit. So, where did we leave off last time? Oh yeah, we had one of these. We had a red gem, a green herb, a knife over here. I don't know what's that way. What is that way? What about second floor? Oh, okay. Second floor, I have a little bit more to go through. So I will go through that like right now. Two. Map. You know what? We're gonna go on this side, right over there. Oh wait, this thing's locked. What about? So that's the only thing I'm probably missing over here. The library. Oh yeah, the jack. Is there anything else I can do here? Third floor. That's the detonator. Oh, we need things for the detonator. We need batteries for the detonator. Down here. I'm pretty sure I've gone through everything. You know what? What I'm gonna do is run through. Just start from one side, run through it all. Make sure I've got everything we can possibly get. There's nothing in here. Hello, late. Okay, nothing in that. Okay, time to go around. Up. Left. Through here. Shut it! I like how I don't catch on fire when I'm running through flames. That is kind of funny. Okay, then this back over here, and then I need the art room. So he gave me the gem. Nothing in here. Thought I saw something. Okay, so the entire left side is now cleared out of me looking for stuff. At least for the moment. That's actually the right side, or whatever. Can I just take, like, your soul, please? Thank you. Okay, we're just gonna start from the basics of this area. Nothing over here. Hi. Shit, now ammo. But no batteries. Okay. What I'm like looking for the most is like the batteries. That is on the other side of that. Okay. Heart key. Still looking for the 3. So I need barricade one more window. It's just the 3 that I'm missing from the stupid thing. I got an idea. Gunpowder, high grade. Gunpowder. Alright, so that takes the same ammo as my one that I have a lot of ammo for. Combine. There we go. Hi, how you doing? Definitely don't run faster with that thing out. Go. Okay, so I found out where I need to go. I have no ammo to go through that though. Like, I have no idea. You know what? Very stupid idea right here. But I'm gonna try it. Ooh. Ow. Yay. Okay, so there's the Magnum. Okay, a flashbang. Two shots. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Nope. What am I looking at for HP wise? Fine. Okay, cool. So I have to get a flash drive. And I do have the detonator for the thing, so yay. So I need to get a flash drive and a... Ow! Ooh, you freaking combine that crap. Ooh. Use that crap. Owie. So I need a diamond key for that. Sweet. Okay. Cool. Now detonator time. We go down, get the detonator, then... Oi. And I'm not going to use those first aid sprays. That's going to be like one of my last things that I use. Like I seriously have, what? 1, 2, 3 saved up, so... I don't know. Oh, I have 3 of those. Yay. You know what? Before I blow up this place, we're gonna do that little thing. That little gizmo. It's called save. Make sure don't die. Second floor. Jack. PC. Okay, that's over there. Third floor. West. Okay. So west. I just have to find a way to get, which I got it. Well, why don't we just start from a higher floor first. So we're back down to where we were before. No ammo. Hey, at least we killed the thing. It only took 4 shots and a knife. Like 3 knives. Wrong way. Pretty sure it's on the other side. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, to find the stairway that goes up. Damn, that thing creeps me out every time I go through here. I don't know why. Alright, maybe it's because it looks like a zombie. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Wait. No. Way out of here. Woman is face, arrow, horn. Face, arrow, snake. Face, arrow. Oh! No. What? What? Leon, I hate you. I hate you so much right now. Holy crap. Holy crap. Okay. Oh my. Okay. No, Oh my. Use.
So it goes underground. Huh. That's it. That's our way out. Lieutenant Branna! Marvin! It's time to go. Hey, Marvin. We need to get you to a hospital right now.
No, save yourself.
Come on, I've got you.
Go!
Look, we can still make it out of here together. You just need...
It's too late. I tried, Leon. But I couldn't stop it. We can't let this thing spread. It's on you now. Just go.
I understand. I won't let you down, Marvin.
I have no ammo, Leon. We have no ammo. Oh my gosh. Thank Jebediah Kerman. Oh, you bet. I know we just got here, but still, I'm saving. Yeah, no. I don't want to rinse and repeat all that. I don't want to constantly make shotgun ammo, so I'm just gonna use what I have for ammo. So 3 shots. Great, further underneath Raccoon City. Yeah, what's gonna be a Resident Evil game without a puzzle? Come on, hurry up. Thank you. Oh! Okay.